Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 61, Cut Cube. This is another very interesting puzzle that I've prepared for you, and it will test your lateral thinking skills. And another way of putting it is you have to think outside the box or outside the square, and that's not a play on words. Here we go. How would you cut the following cube into 8 equal pieces with only 3 cuts? A clue will be given on the next slide in a few minutes. So please don't go to the clue. See if you can do it yourself first. And definitely in a few minutes I will go to the next slide and I'll give you a clue to see how you go. So good luck with it. I'll just leave this slide on for a little while. Okay, I'll go to the next slide now to give you a little clue just in case you need it. Here we go. So here's your first clue. The 2 cuts below are a possible start. Where is the 3rd cut? So you've got to do one more cut. So you cut the cube into 8 equal pieces. So there's a clue on the first 2. So I'll leave this on for a little while before we go to the next slide. Okay, let's go to the next slide now and have a look what's happening. If you've had a little bit of a problem and you can't proceed from here, let's see where we go to next. Place the 4 pieces on top of each other and make a third vertical cut through the centre. So basically, when you do that cut there, and when you do that cut there, that gives you 4 pieces. So you can move those 4 pieces around, and if you like, you can just place them evenly on top of each other and do one more cut through the centre, or you could actually place them side by side and do one cut through the centre, and that will give you 8 pieces that are all equal. So I really hope you enjoyed that puzzle. They're very interesting and they're very satisfying if you can get them out. So if you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. So I'll give you an opportunity to do that now. Here we go.